Eyelid surgery has been a very specific passion of mine in the whole realm of facial rejuvenation. Eyelid surgery requires a very, very high degree of surgical precision and artistry, all in the same vein of doing facial rejuvenation with a facelift. The eyes, oftentimes patients come in saying, I look tired, I feel tired, I have extra skin hanging over. An upper lid blepharoplasty is often the simplest and most direct approach to rejuvenating the face. The eyes are really the most important part of our face, because that's the first thing we look at when we see someone. The lower lids, the skin, some of the puffiness, fat bags, dark circles, those things can also be addressed through a lower lid blepharoplasty. I specialize in lower lid blepharoplasty using fat grafting or fat transposition, much more technical operations to give you a smooth lower lid that also gives you very, very rejuvenated look around the eyes. And just by doing the eyes alone sometimes can turn back the clock anywhere from 10 to 15 years. And it's amazing. And then if you add, of course, a facelift, that could really add the additional icing on the cake. And so combining these procedures, doing them separately are all possibilities. Sometimes eyelid surgery is done under just pure local anesthesia. And then a facelift sometimes is nice to have a little bit of sedation. But we can combine all these operations and you have my 20+ years of microsurgical expertise to give you the best result possible. Recovery for eyelid surgery varies. Upper lid is actually pretty quick, maybe need about 7 to 10 days. But the lower lid actually oftentimes takes more time. There's more recovery and sometimes takes anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks. And I get a lot of patients who ask me, when can I return to work? When can I return to the gym? Those things really take a little bit longer. And so it really requires a little bit more time to have a higher level of activity. Getting back to work, doing Zoom calls and things like that, you can be a little bit sooner. In the end, it's a range between 1 to 3 weeks, and then really getting back to full recovery takes about 4 weeks. I want to give you my warmest invitation to come here to beautiful San Francisco to meet my wonderful staff and get a chance to get to know me, get a chance to know you as well, and talk about all the potential options that are available to you in this very warm and comfortable setting.